Hello friends, in this C# program we will see the concept of one-dimensional array, how we can create a one-dimensional array in C# program, and how we can be able to store some values into one-dimensional array, find the product of all the elements which are present in the one-dimensional array. So first we are creating an array of integer type it is. So while we are declaring integer array, we have to mention int brackets a equal new int of, we have to mention the size. So we mentioned the size here as 4. So new keyword can be used to create a one-dimensional array. First we have to mention the data type, then brackets for mentioning that it's an array. Here a is the array name equals new data type and the number of elements that can be stored in the array. So here we made it as 4 as the size. So 4 elements can be stored inside the array A with index 0 to 3. Now we need to find out the multiplication of all the elements which are stored in the array. So another variable is declared to store the result. So result is initialized as 1 since we are finding the multiplication of all the numbers stored in the array. By using console.writeLine, we are displaying the message enter 4 integer values. And by using a for loop, we accept the value from the user. We can accept the value from the user by using console.readLine method, which will read the information which is entered in the console, but it will be in the form of string. So we need to convert that into integer because we want to store integer values into the array. So for converting that into integer, we have to use convert.toInt32 method that will convert the data which is read from the console. And after converting, we are storing into the array a of I, where I is ranging from 0 to 3. So after storing the values into the array, we are multiplying that value with the result variable. So every time the value gets stored into the array, and the value also keep on multiplying with the result. So it will totally read 4 values, and each of the values will get stored into the array with different index a of 0, a of 1, a of 2 and a of 3. And at the same time we keep on multiplying those results and store into the variable results. So finally we get the multiplication of all the 4 numbers in the variable result. Now all these values we can display by using console.writeLine. We are using formatting with positions inside the writeLine method. So in order to display different variable values within the double quotes, we are writing the positions within the curly braces. The positions are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So totally we can display now 5 different values. So the variable which we mentioned at the first a of 0, that will be considered as 0th value. So that will get displayed at the 0th place. Similarly, in one place a of 1 will be displayed at 2 place a of 2 and third place a of 3, and at the fourth place we are displaying the value of the variable result. So it will display the multiplication of each of the values of array equal its product multiplication value. Console.read key can be used so that it will wait for the program to press a key press, so that the program will wait till a key press. Execute and see the program output. So here we are entering 4 integer values, so we get the product of that. Here all the integer values we are storing into an array, one-dimensional array, and finding the product of each of the element and displaying the result. Now by using one-dimensional array, if you are able to accept n number of values and find out the sum and average of those numbers, kindly comment below.